Hello, kids! Welcome to Phonics Teach. Today, we will learn some sight words and then read fun CVC sentences with the short A sound. Let's learn 4 sight words together. Has, but, not, the.
Now, let's read some short A sound sentences together.
Sam has a cap. A man can nap. Pam is sad, but not so bad. Ma'am has jam. Dad has ham. The cat sat on the mat. The hat is on the rat. The fan is on the van. The yam is in the pan. Wow! You read all the sentences so well! See you again in the next lesson, only on Phonics Teach. Bye-bye, little learners!